Anyways, hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be me doing her hair, of course, because I'm the only one who touches her hair because I'm really that bee. But anyways, so today we're supposed to be doing the side part, straight closure on my sister. She has 18, 20, and 22 bundles. And I think it's a 5x5 closure. It's big. It's a 5x5. It's big, it's cute, and whatever. So that's what we're doing today. And y'all gonna see that. It's gonna be in time lapse. Some parts gonna be in time lapse, some parts aren't. Because my phone's charging, I barely have any space. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Yeah, the blow drying part is gonna be in time lapse, but we're gonna do it in sections. So that just text me. I can't text back. My phone's off pops. Anyways, but yeah, y'all stay tuned for this transformation. We're gonna stretch you out and so now her hair is partially blown out. Now we finna go in.
And see how I look with a lot of because it's glowing very well.
Okay. So now we finna go in and braid her hair. She want a side part and she wanna go in this way. So we're finna braid her hair. We finna braid her hair, okay? And yeah, press the on button. So now we're gonna go in with the ball cap. We done already, you feel me? Got the little braids popping. Hold on, show them right there. Let me show you what this braid is for. So when y'all putting the closure down, y'all know y'all always end up with this part that's like no braid. So this is what this is for. So you put the closure down and you sew the back of the closure on this. So you won't be sewing just on the closure and it lifts up in the back. So go ahead and put you one extra braid right there going around, you feel me? And then do the rest of the braids in the back. And then you got these over here. My braiding isn't that neat because it's a sewing. You're not going to see it anyway. Just make sure your braids are tight and make sure they can last. Period. So now we're going to go in with doing the ball cap method. And we're going to sew down the cap. Then we're going to make sure it's her same color as her skin. And then we're going to go in and sew the closure and then sew the hair. And then glue the closure down. I glue the closure down last. Just because I don't want to deal with the hair lifting. I don't know. That's always how I do it. That's how I always done it. Okay, there we go. All right. So we finna ball her head out, you feel me? Here's the makeup on the cap. It's close to her skin color, you feel me? Now we already did the makeup. Now we finna no, cause this is when it's gonna be cut. So we're gonna spray. I do the makeup first and then I spray just because I feel like it melts it better. Y'all can do whatever y'all want. I'll spit when I talk, so you I better say. But yeah, I'm gonna add a little bow because I feel like I'll probably cut. But yeah.
Walking around with me, you see I'm hot on 500 degrees. Heard he caught a body, what that does not mean shit to me. Got two on me, got two on me. Plug and yes, who on me? Detrimental, me and Glock all on your instrumental. I kill a nigga and it really one coincidental. Stop all that fake shit, you just be on that acting shit. No, I ain't with no captain shit, and I ain't on no rap shit. No looking bitch, you know it ain't no looking bitch. I check in the blood, nigga like, hey man, what's crackin', bitch? I'm 2 floors up on you, nigga. I'm 2 floors up on you, nigga, yeah. What all do you want from me?
So this is how it's looking. You probably can't see it, but I'll zoom it in. We didn't have tweezers, so I ended up tweezing or plucking with scissors. And it's already sewn down real good and whatnot. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and glue it down and then put the wrap on top and then go ahead and sew everything in and then go back in and go in with the edges and cut the lips off and whatnot. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. You little stuck, but
one foot in the industry, one foot in the top. Why that do? To my cut line, I treat him like my strap. Come by me here, take the nigga feed off the mouth. Feed till I'm sleep, push your P, get caught. 2 guns, that's a twin gloss. I roger that hard, colder than the bitch, cause the bitch froze at that. Like a posture freak, who gotta come in the back. Say I want 250K, we go better train on that, nigga. What all do you want from me?
so I already went and did her baby hairs off on camera on accident. I forgot to record, and I already plugged and did the part. And now I'm gonna go in and mold the shape of her hair. I'm gonna use some foam or whatever you set in, whatever mousse basically. I'm going in with mousse, and then I'm going in with this edge stick just a little bit on the part. And then last thing I'm gonna use is this. It's like a spritz spray, but it actually smells better than a regular spritz. I don't know, it smells way better. But that's all I'm gonna go in and do. Those are the only 3 things, because she didn't want me to put no heat on her hair. So we're not gonna put no heat, we're just gonna mold it in place. So we're gonna put that in fast forward, and yeah.
I'm in this Rari, I swear. Smoking on all of this herb. I feel like I'm leaving Earth. I keep it 30, no burn. Blow the bitch down, it's gon' hurt. All that bullshit for the burn. Keep that shit right to the curb. I keep the drink like a clerk. Dealing with pain I deserve. 2 times I bet if you burn. Drinks and they berserk. I get that check on the first. I get that check on the second. And I get that check on the third. Before with me get to merge. Come for me, better serve. I just been giving them hell. My brother whipping them bells. He do that shit by himself. Driving in his Rari and his bitches all black. Yeah, hanging with them thugs, talking down to you, get zapped. Yeah, all that bullshit that they talking is big cap. Yeah, I'm talking real shit, that real shit, no cap. Yeah, real rap. Yeah, had to bring it back. Yeah, 300, 800, nigga, big facts. I put a bitch in the back with a Burberry on. The Twitter's bad. That little bitch know all my songs. I jump like kid and play with a bullet hole in your afro. All in the bank, I'm laughing all. These niggas square like Madison all. I ball out like Madison all. 4 quarter shorty, shoot up your party. I'm a different man